Okay, I'm back. Today I'm at Newin Center Mall, Mississauga. It's located at 2580 Shepherd Avenue, and over there is Dundas. So it's my first time going in. Don't know the lay of the land, but we'll find out what's going on in there. So let's get ready to walk Newin Center Mall. Okay, so let's go in. Well, tough getting that door open. Old style telephone booth right up to start. Okay, so I'll try and get comfortable. Take my hat off. Got a computer store here. Travel and tour. Accounting. Salon. Looks like a accessory store here. Perfume place. Another hair place. Studio 168 right here. Another cell phone store right there. Accessories and gadgets. Right away we're in the food court. I'll kind of work my way around a bit. Food I'm not aware of. It looks like kind of Middle Eastern. Got butter chicken over there, and looks like maybe some. I don't really know. Oh, you got Vietnamese cuisine as well too. Okay. A little bit of a buzz in the mall. Not a very big place. I'm not sure how many floors it has. What else here? Another salon right here. A nail place. Pharmacy. Oh, we got a dental and medical center right here. And we have, what do we got here? A little bit of music playing. But it looks like another barbershop type thing. So it appears that it's all cell phone accessories and places where you can get your hair done. So if you want to get stylish and all good looking and stuff, this is the mall you want to get into. I don't know. Just a kind of a circle. Yep, so I think we've just covered them all. Newin Center has been covered. Let me go outside and see what's doing out there. I'll put my hat back on. Camera could get a little shaky here, but it's cold outside, people. Okay, we'll check out the parking availability. Okay. Oh. That was one of the faster malls I've walked. Okay, is there a second floor? I don't think so. I'm looking at the board here. You do have a dental and medical office in here. Anyways, let's go out and see what else we have outside the mall. Nila Soru, what is that? South Indian restaurant. Okay. And what else have we got here? that would appear to be the only one that you can get on in from the outside. It's probably a little windy. This here is Shepherd Avenue, this street right here. And woohoo! Wind noise. Is there a strip mall attached to it? Yeah, it's a little bit of a strip mall attached to it. Yeah, that was the first time walking in that place. I just kind of thought I'd get in there and show you what it's doing. They're not all going to be square one in the Eaton Center. Okay, sorry about the wind noise, but yeah, okay. Little traffic action in the mall here, the strip mall. All right, Desi King. I don't know what, is that a restaurant? I guess it is. Another barber shop. So the gist of it is, this whole area in that mall I just showed you, it's just all cell phone accessories, and if you want to look good, there's tons of places for hair, makeup, nails to be done. I'm trying to work my way out of here. Let's go to the back and see what it's doing. International Fast Food Center right here. Okay. It's parking at the side. Another barber shop. This place is something else when it comes to the amount of the density of salons, barbershops, and cell phone places. We're at the very back of the mall. Interesting. I wonder what's up there. Okay, let's go to the back and see what's doing. Might see a rat. You know what? There's a dude back here that's I don't know what he's up to, but he's probably looking at me and wondering what I'm up to. I got something in my hands. I got a backpack too. I don't want to get mistaken for a... Anyway, let's see. We got a place here called Thirst Tea. Again, I apologize for the wind. At every crack and corner also, there's like a shady character kind of like lurking around. So that's why I'm making like little adjustments as I walk. Okay. This Desi King place looks like it's like samosas and East Indian kind of food. Oh my God. Okay. Let's see, a place here that has jobs. If you want to get a job, I guess you come here. Okay. Let's go towards Dundas and see what's doing. What do we got here? It's interesting when you walk, in the cracks and crevices of these little areas where there's all kinds of old stores. These stores have been around for hundreds of years. Maple Computer. It's just too bad, all they have is like cell phone accessory, stuff. We're on Dundas now, and woohoo! It's cold. Okay, that's your Ontario down there. Let's see what stores are up here. This looks like a dentist. This here is a barber shop. I tell you, this is the area you want to come if you want to look good, I guess. And let's see what else we got. Print to go. We got a family barber shop right here. A Money Mart. Right here. So Let me know if you've ever been to the Newin Center Mall, located at Shepherd and Dundas in Mississauga. And I'm gonna go into the warm. I'm starting to freeze, so I'm gonna end it here. So please like and subscribe, and I'll make more vids when I get a chance. I'm sorry it wasn't a long mall walk, but they're not all gems, as they say. Thanks for coming along.